I don't know. I really can't answer that.
Had you ever met him before?
No. No, I haven't.
So the first time you actually saw him in person was when?
In the newspaper when they arrested him.
Nancy's attorney, William D. Pollack, is here as well. William, I mean, how does this happen? Was there evidence that they knew each other? Was there evidence that she actually drove the school bus to his house?
No, there was no evidence showing that they knew each other, and what your opening montage didn't show, Anderson, was the overwhelming evidence of her innocence that has come out since the trial that the jury never saw. Amber talked about some of it, the attendance records showing that children were in school on the day that this allegedly occurred, and there are these audio tapes of the initial interviews with the children during which they repeatedly deny ever having been abused, and they say nothing happened. And that lineup video, they are unable to identify Joseph Allen over multiple attempts. So there was a lot of evidence that the jury never heard here that's come out since the trial showing that she's innocent and that she served 15 years in prison for a crime that she didn't commit.
So what's the status of her case now? Because one judge looked at the all the new evidence and said she should never have been convicted. She was released, but now another judge has overturned that. So what's the status?
You're correct. The judge looked at her case and declared that she didn't commit this crime, that she's innocent. And then on appeal, the Ohio Supreme Court, they didn't dispute that conclusion that she's innocent. They didn't address it. They just said that procedurally that he didn't have the jurisdiction to overturn that conviction in the way that he did.
So what are you hoping to have happen? I mean, what's the alternative to her being sent back?
Well, we've filed a clemency petition with the governor of Ohio that lays out all of the evidence showing that she's innocent. And, you know, we believe and we hope for Nancy's sake that the governor is going to take a look at that evidence and recognize, as Judge Burge and many others have, that this woman is innocent and served 15 years in prison for a crime that she didn't commit.
I want to bring in a criminologist, Dr. Casey Jordan. She's also an attorney, behavioral analyst. She's an expert on the investigation, discovery, got away with it.
Dang it.
We've talked a lot about cases like this, especially when this happened, which was in the mid-90s. What we now know is that it's crucial how kids are asked questions about sexual abuse.
Yes.
And it's very easy to lead kids. We saw that in the McMartin preschool case.
In a number of cases, and the power of suggesting very young children can cause